Welcome to the last section in this Becoming a Trader course. You guys got through all the great foundations you need to become a real trader. And this one, we're going to start working on putting your trading plan together and just getting your head wrapped around what a trading strategy is and how to build out your plan. So if you follow along, by the end of this, you'll start to have your first trading plan built out. So let's get into the first lesson. The most important thing to make sure your trading strategy and plan is built around you and not other people or what you think is going to work is to understand your personal trading style and your goals. So before creating a trading plan, it's important to understand your personal trading style and goals. So your trading style refers to how you approach the markets. Are you a day trader, swing trader, or position trader? Now for futures, you're not really doing position trading. Most of these accounts, funded accounts, at least that I'm using through Apex Trader Funding, they don't allow you to take positions. It's day trading, so you're in and out with the day. And even more so, I'm more of a scalper, so I'm in and out within the hour. And I'll take multiple trades if I want to keep trading that day. But usually I scalp, get my money, I'm out. If I take a loss and I find another setup, I'll go in again. But figure out how you trade. When I was doing Forex, I was doing kind of swing trading, intraday trading. I'd hold it for a day, maybe 2 days, and then just trail my stop loss up, have it take profit, and whatever happens to get hit first is what my trade was. But I don't really like holding on to positions. I'd rather just get in and out. Then I could go about my day not having to worry about anything. See, that was my problem, was when I was swing trading and just doing multiple days of trading, I was always checking my phone, and I just didn't like it, how it was kind of ruining my mood, and I had mood swings throughout the day. So what I did was, hey, I'm going to set down a few hours. I'm going to give my full attention to the charts for those few hours. I'm going to take my swing, or not my swing trades. I'm going to take my scalping trades, get in and out. Once that time's up, or if I already get profits before my time's up, I'm done. I can review the day for studying later, but my trading is done. And that helped me go out throughout the day much easier, and I got to enjoy my day rather than focusing on what the market was doing with my trade. So that's up to you though. That's just my personal opinion of what works for me. My positions trading is all in my retirement account, my long-term investing account. So I'll position trade all those, the indexes, just mutual funds, some big stocks, all that stuff. I'll buy and hold, and then as prices at a good level, I'll buy some more. So anyways, let's get back onto target here. Your trading goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Now I don't have the journal that we create in front of me. I have the older versions in here, but they do not have that page for your goals and the trading strategy plan. So in that, if you got that book, go ahead and fill that out, and you're going to want to write quarter goals with these specifications in mind. Examples of trading goals include generating consistent profits, minimizing risk, and achieving financial independence. Now, when you're first starting out, achieving financial independence is going to be your long goal, and then you're going to break that goal, that far big goal, you're going to break that down into smaller goals that are more achievable that you could get going towards today. So for me, I had a number to become financial independent, go full-time trading. Then I broke that down. Okay, what type of capital would I need to hit those numbers? So then from there, I broke it down to how much capital should I be funded with each account. I like to do multiple accounts than just one big account. So I broke it down into 4 different accounts. Okay, what are the trading goals for those to hit? All right, I want to get funded within a month, even though you could, as long as you're not blowing your account, you could keep going month after month with Apex Trader Funding. But I had a goal of a month, so 30 days, 25 days trading. And then I took those goals and divided it by 25 days. So now I got that really small goal per day, per week, and month of each target I need to hit to build up, to get those funded accounts, to get to my financial freedom or financial independence goal. And it all works together, but you got to get that big goal and dissect it all the way down to a daily goal that you could work on. And then again, your trading style is going to influence your goals. If you're swing trading, you're going to probably have longer time limits on your goals. But because I'm scalping, I could go down as low as a day goal for me. So I'll see you guys in the next lesson.